Hello students, all of you welcome to Future Doctor Neet Academy. So every day we are giving 7 problems in each and every chapter. The next day only we are giving solution to the questions. Understood? So now I am going to give solution to these 7 problems in electrochemistry. Understood? See the first question, simple one. What is the quantity of electricity in coulombs needed to reduce 1 mole of M1O4 minus? Okay, here, suppose we studied in DNF block elements, M1O4 minus is a very good strong oxidizing agent, Okay, so that ionic equation outright means, if you know the ionic equation means, we can easily find out the answer for this. Suppose here, outright, you know that M1O4, ionic equation only I am writing. M1O4 minus plus what? H plus. This reaction takes place. It acts as an oxidation agent in presence of acid medium. Okay. Then for balance the charge, we put electrons. M1O4 becomes what? M1O4 minus becomes what? Mn2 plus. Okay. Plus H2 will be formed. Okay. How to balance the equation means here 4, no? 4 means you put what? 2. Sorry, here 4. Here 4 means here 4 oxygen. Then if you put 4 means what? Hydrogen is what? 8 hydrogen. So you put what? 8. Understood? Now, if you want to balance the charge, here, if you put 5 means it is balanced. Understood? You know that. Okay. So minus 1. Here also, minus 5. Minus 1, minus 5, minus 6. Minus 6 plus 8, no? Plus 8 is equal to what? Here what? Plus 2. So here what? 8 minus 6, plus 2. Here also what? Plus 2. Understood? So now charge also balanced, no? Okay. It is one of the ionic equation. You know that. Okay. So 5 electron is necessary to convert 1 mole of M1O4 minus to Mn2 plus. Okay. So 5 electron nothing but we consider what? 5 electron means what? 5 Faraday. Understood? The following. So answer is what? 5 Faraday. So answer A is the correct one. You follow? Understood? So you must know the ionic equation. Like which we have potential diagrammatic equations also there. Okay? Right. Next one. They are given an equation. E0 value is also given. What is the value of K? Okay? K nothing but equilibrium constant. Okay? So there is a relation between equilibrium constant and E0. So what is the relation between these two means what? Log K is equal to N E0 by 0.059. Understood? This is the relation between equilibrium constant and standard electric potential. Okay. So the value is given, simple. The value is given. So you just substitute. What is N? N nothing but what? Number of electron transferred, no? So you just remember like this, X becomes what? X becomes, X2 plus, isn't it? So loss of 2 electrons. So simply you can say N is equal to, are you following? X becomes X2 plus. So loss of 2 electrons. So N is equal to what? 2. So you just substitute. That's all. Simple. Here 2 into this value is what? 0.059. Okay. By simple sum only I given. Okay. But you must know the formula. Okay. Then what happened? This will be cancelled, no? You know that? This cancel, no? So answer is what? We have only 2. We have only 2. Therefore, left hand side is what? Log K. Log K is equal to 2. Understood? But they are asking only K, isn't it? So K means, log to the base 10 is there, Okay. Therefore, K is equal to what? 10 power, this goes to power, no? 10 power 2. Understood? So, now see the answer. Option B is the correct one. Are you following? So 1 into 10 power 2. So option B is the correct one. Simple. Okay. So go through the formula. If you know the formula, you can easily solve all these kind of sums. Understood? Right. Next one. This also, standard Gibbs free energy for the given cell reaction is in kilojoule per mole. We have to give the answer in kilojoule per mole. At 298 Kelvin is one equation is given. Okay. You know that They're asking to find out only standard Gibbs energy change. Standard means, what's the formula? Delta G naught is equal to simple formula minus N F E naught. This is the formula. Understood? Simple. Okay. Then, N I told simply remember, zinc becomes what? Zn2 plus, no? So loss of 2 electrons. Simply you can say N is equal to 2. Understood? So, minus 2, F means, Faraday. You must know. Okay. Faraday, 1 Faraday is equal to, 96500 coulomb, isn't it? 96500 coulomb into, E naught is given simple. E naught value is, 2. So if you multiply all these, we get what? We get, minus 38, no, 6 will come. Understood? So this is in joule per mole. This is in joule per mole. But they see the question, they're asking kilojoule per mole, no? By 1000 means we get answer what? By 1000 means, minus this answer. That's simple. Okay? Right. Right. Next one. Are you following? So formula only, just keep in mind. If you know this formula, you can use to solve these sums. Okay. Minus delta G naught is equal to minus N of E naught. You know that sometimes the same question they're asking, what kind of process taking place? If delta G, is a minus, no, answer will be getting minus, no. Minus means what? The process called what? This process is called spontaneous process. But sometimes additionally they'll give. So this option is given, but additionally whether it is spontaneous, non-spontaneous, okay, it's a condition. If delta G naught is minus means the reaction is the process called what? It is a spontaneous process. Understood? That takes place naturally. That's called spontaneous process. Okay, right. Are you following? Next one. Simple, electrode potential, just keep in mind, that is, they are given 4 metals, electrode potential value. Which of them is stronger reducing agent? That's the question. Okay. So you just remember like this, that is, strong reducing agent. So any species is considered as a strong reducing agent. Okay, strong reducing agent having what? Large negative E naught value. Just keep in mind. E naught value. Large negative electrode potential will be there. Any species considered as a strong reducing agent. Okay. Likewise, any species considered as a strong oxidizing agent, just quite opposite, no? Oxidizing agent will be what? Large positive value. That's all. Large positive value. Positive E naught value. Understood? Are you following? Right. Okay. So here they are asking to find only the strong reducing agent. No, this is a question. No, strong reducing agent. Strong reducing agent means large negative value. Which one is large negative value here? Minus 0.13, 0.40. Large negative, I told you. This is called large negative. Understood? So large negative only is considered as a strong reducing agent. So answer is what? Who is having large negative? Zinc is what? This is the second value, no? So zinc is a strong reducing agent. Sometimes the same question they'll ask in different way. Which one is strong oxidizing agent means what? Large positive value. This only just keep in mind. Which one is large positive value here? This is minus. This also minus. This also minus. Okay. This one is a positive value, no? So if they ask means strong oxidizing agent means answer is what? Copper is the answer. Understood? Right. So this only keep in mind. So any species having large negative, more negative E naught value, that is considered as a strong reducing agent. Okay. Right. Next one. Okay. The conductivity of 0.40 molarity solution of KCl at 258 Kelvin is 4.96 × 10⁻², Siemens centimeter inverse, the molar conductivity of the solution. So molar conductivity means, what's the formula? Lambda m. We have two formula. If it is in centimeter, okay, 1000 in numerator. Just remember, kappa into, are you following? By concentration. Simply remember. Okay, that's all. Conductivity means, it's called kappa. Concentration means, C. Okay, so conductivity of 0.40. So what? Conductivity of what? So copper is what? 4.96 to 10 power minus 2 into 1000. Just substitute as it is, simple value. Concentration what? What is concentration? 0.40. 0.40. That's all. Then if you simplify mean, you can get answer. So you know that this one cancel, no? This also will cancel. 110 is there, no? If you multiply means it will be what? It will be 49.6 by 0.40. Okay. Again multiply both the sides by 10 means what? We get 496 by, correct or not? 496 by by 4. So if we simplify, we can get an answer. So answer will be what? 124. Understood? So it can be able to cancel. So answer is what? This answer. You following? Simple. Formula just keep in mind. Okay. So formula study thoroughly. This is the formula. Suppose it is in meter means 1000 will come down. Okay, there's a small difference. Okay. So you study like that. You need to understand. Okay. Right. Next one. See. The molar conductivity is maximum for the solution of concentration. That's the question. Okay. So which solution having maximum molar conductivity? That's the question. So here, molar conductivity just now we studied. What's the molar conductivity formula? Lambda m is equal to what? Just now we studied. Kappa into 1000 by C. So formula, C is called concentration. So what's the relation between these two? Concentration increases, molar conductivity decreases. These two are inversely proportional. No, okay. So least concentration having more molar conductivity. So least concentration. Who is least concentration means what? Option D is the correct one. Are you following? Okay. This is the least concentration. So any solutions having least concentration means more or maximum molar conductivity. So if you know this relation, we can be able to find out answer. Okay, right. Sometimes the theoretical part also they will ask. Then only I given one question in this. Okay, theoretical part. Understood? Okay. Next one. Okay. Electrolysis means simply we can say it's called Faraday's first law of electrolysis. Based upon this, I have given one sums. During the electrolysis of molten sodium chloride, the time required to produce 0.10 mole of chlorine gas using a current of 3 ampere. Okay. So I told so here electrolysis means what's the formula? First Faraday first law of electrolysis, you just remember the formula. What's the formula? M is equal to ZIT. Understood? Okay. They are asking to find out only what? Time, no? Time is they are asking. Okay. Okay. So here M is called mass. Okay. So mass here, mass is not given. Instead of mass, they are given what? 0.10 mole. Okay. So here mole of chlorine. So what is the formula for number of moles? Number of moles is equal to what? Mass by molar mass. No. You following? Number of moles is equal to mass by molar mass. We want only mass. No. It's just cross multiplication. So number of the number of moles is given. Okay. That is what 0.1 into just multiply m is equal to small m. See m, the capital M nothing but molar mass. What's the question? During the electrolysis of molten sodium chloride, the time required to produce 0.10 mole of chlorine gas. Okay, chlorine gas is given, no? Okay. So here, so what's the equation means? Cl minus gives Cl2 plus 2 electron. This is the equation. Equation keep in mind. In sodium chloride, Cl minus is there. Okay. So it is going to deposit the electrode in the form of Cl2. Okay. So Cl2 is a molecule, no? Okay. So 1 Cl, 35.5. Here 2 Cl, no? The 35.5 into 2, it is considered as 0.1 into 71. This is equal to what? Mass. So you just substitute here 0.1 into 71 is equal to Z is nothing but equal mass, no? Equal mass will be for chlorine Equal mass will be now, you know that Cl becomes what? Okay, Cl becomes what, you know, of Cl2, no? If you have 2 Cl means Cl2, but Cl minus becomes what, you know, 1 electron. See, 1 mole of, you know, Cl is Cl is deposited, we need 1 electron. 1 electron means here, you know, equal mass will be what? We consider as what? Molar mass is 35.5. Equal mass means, you know, by 1. So it will be 35.5. Understood? Molar mass and equal mass will be same for, you know, chlorine. By, what's the formula? Z having one formula. Z is equal to equal mass by 96500 coulomb. So formula. It's a formula for Z. I is given now. What is I? Current, you know, current of 3 amperes, you know, into 3. Okay, then into what? You know, time. The time only we have to find out. Understood? So if we rearrange everything, we can get the t value. The t value will be in, you know, there's approximately they are saying what, 6433.3 is it goes on. Okay, we are getting only the value in the form of seconds. Okay, seconds, but see the question in minutes. Okay, so seconds into minutes means, so approximately the value will be nearly 108. Okay, okay, answer mostly in, you know, time in seconds, current in amperes, mass in gram. Okay, these are all that unit we should follow. So we will be getting only answer will be in seconds, but if you want to convert into minutes means, the answer will be nearly 108. Okay, this is the way to do. This is the way to solve the sums. Understood? So formula is what? This is the formula. Just keep in mind. M is equal to ZIT. Understood? I think you understood everything. Okay. So next class I'll give the different another lessons in 12th standard portions. Okay. So before give the, you know, before give the solutions, all of you be ready for the concept as well as formula. Then it will be very useful to you. Understood? Thank you, students.